Hello everyone. I hope the viewers find this video helpful. Before starting the video, it is a request to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to receive latest videos. Let's start the video. It is one of the lightest case for Samsung Galaxy A71 and just compatible with its own model. Gives your smartphone ultra hybrid protection with its shock-absorbing PC frame against bumps, drops and scratches. It is very durable that you can take your mobile anywhere without feeling any difficulties. Has German Bayer PC and clear TPU bumper which prevents your case from yellowing materials. 100% transparent body enhances the natural elegance of your phone, and the slim profile allows you to experience the original dimensions of your phone but still receive full access to all buttons and ports. The extra raised lips provide super protection from drops, keep your screen safe, and lastly, support wireless charging without taking off the case. Lightweight layer offers easy installation and pocket-friendly. Buy from Amazon, in just $8.99. This shockproof phone case gives your smartphone smart protection, easy to rotate and built-in kickstand that gives you the convenience place to watch videos and movies hands-free with desired comfort and stability. Built-in metal magnetic sheet for stable absorption which can be directly absorbed to the magnetic car mount holder. All buttons and interface user-friendly design to avoid frequent disassembly, and the case perfect cutouts for speakers, camera and charging hole allow you to easy access to all features and convenient for charging your phone without take off the case. The extra raised lips provide super protection from drops, keep your screen safe, and the reinforced front frame raised edges for added screen and camera protection. And lastly, 60 days of limited manufacturing warranty. Buy from Amazon, in just $8.98. This juicy protective case is 100% shockproof and heavy-duty back cover for Galaxy A71, hard PC plus soft TPU 2-in-1 design provide all-around protection. Protect your phone from drops, scratches and bumps. The four corners reinforced with non-slip bumper prevent your phone from slip and drop accidentally. The interior of the case has a stripe design to facilitate rapid heat dissipation, and the higher protection from high screen 0.08 inch allows you to put your phone case on flat surface without scratching the screen and camera. And lastly, 30 days money back guarantee. Buy it with confidence from Amazon, in just $7.99. If you like any product, link is given in the description for more information and purchasing. Thank you.